Let's talk about something cool. Not music, but something just as powerful: money and numbers. For centuries, accounting was all about big, heavy books called ledgers. Accountants would write everything down by hand. Every single rupee earned, every single rupee spent. Imagine the time it took. It was a slow, careful process. A single mistake could take hours or even days to find and fix. This was the world of our parents and grandparents. It was a world of immense patience and incredible attention to detail, but it was also a world limited by human speed and endurance. Now, picture this. Today, accounting is like a high-speed digital highway. Computers changed the game completely. Instead of writing in books, accountants started using software. This made things much faster. But now we have something even more amazing. We have artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of AI as a super smart assistant. It doesn't just record numbers. It understands them. It learns from them. It can do tasks that once needed a human brain, but it does them in seconds. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now in offices all over India and the world. So what does this AI do? It's like having a team of tireless workers who never sleep and never make a mistake. It automates the boring stuff, the repetitive tasks that take up so much of an accountant's day. This frees up the human accountant to do more important things. Instead of just adding up numbers, they can now focus on strategy. They can analyze the data and give advice that helps a company grow. AI is not here to replace accountants. It's here to empower them, to give them superpowers. It's a tool that makes them better, faster, and smarter. This shift is a revolution. It's as big as the change from handwritten letters to email. For students and young professionals like you, this is an exciting time. You are entering a field that is becoming more dynamic and more strategic. The old image of an accountant stuck behind a mountain of files is gone. The new accountant is a tech-savvy advisor, a financial detective, and a business partner. They use powerful AI tools to uncover insights and drive success. This is the new age of accounting, and it's powered by technology. How do computers and AI actually handle all this money information? It all starts with a simple but powerful idea: codes. Every single transaction in a business gets a special code. This is called a chart of accounts. Think of it like a library's catalog system. Every book has a unique number, so you can find it easily. In accounting, every type of income, expense, asset, or liability has its own code. For example, money spent on office rent might be coded as 6010, while sales from Mumbai could be 4010-MUM. This system brings order to the chaos of business finance. These codes are the secret language that accounting software understands. When you enter a transaction, you assign it the right code. The software then knows exactly where to put that number. It knows if it was money coming in or going out. It knows if it was for salaries or for buying new computers. This coding system is the backbone of modern accounting. Without it, all the financial data would just be a jumbled mess of numbers. A well-designed coding system makes everything clear and organized, creating a perfect foundation for everything that comes next. Now let's look at a real-life example to see why this matters so much. Imagine a company called Neo Retail India Limited. They sell clothes online and have stores in many cities. They have thousands of transactions every day. Bills from suppliers, sales to customers, employee salaries, electricity bills, the list is endless. If they did this by hand, it would be impossible. But with a smart coding system, they can track everything. They can instantly see how much they are spending on advertising in Delhi versus Bengaluru. They can see which product line is making the most profit. These codes turn raw data into valuable business intelligence. Designing this system is a critical first step. It needs to be logical and detailed enough to capture all the important information. Companies need to think about what they want to track. Do they want to see profits by region? By salesperson? By product? The coding system should be built to answer these questions. A good system is scalable, meaning it can grow with the company. As Neo Retail opens new stores or launches new products, they can simply add new codes. This foundation is what allows powerful AI tools to come in and work their magic. This is where things get really exciting. Once you have a good coding system, AI tools can take over. Let's go back to our example, Neo Retail India Limited. Every day, They receive hundreds of invoices from their suppliers. In the old days, a person would have to manually read each invoice, check the details, and type them into the system. This is slow and prone to human error. But now they use an AI tool with something called optical character recognition, or OCR. They just scan the bill, and the AI reads it like a human. It understands the supplier's name, the date, the amount, and the items purchased. But the AI doesn't stop there. After reading the bill, it does something called three-way matching. It automatically checks the invoice against the purchase order Neo Retail sent and the goods received note from the warehouse. It makes sure all three documents match perfectly. Did the supplier send what was ordered? Was the price correct? Was everything delivered? If it all matches, the AI approves the payment. If there's a mismatch, it flags the invoice for a human to review. This process saves countless hours and prevents payment for incorrect or fraudulent bills. AI is also a brilliant detective. It can analyze thousands of transactions in seconds to spot unusual patterns that might signal fraud. For example, it might notice two invoices from the same supplier with very similar invoice numbers and amounts on the same day. Or it might flag a payment to a new, unverified bank account. A human might miss these small details in a sea of data, but an AI won't. For a company like Neo Retail, this is incredibly valuable. It protects their money and ensures that their financial records are clean and trustworthy, which is crucial for getting loans or attracting investors. The benefits are huge. First, it saves an incredible amount of time. The accounting team at Neo Retail no longer spends its days on data entry. Instead, they manage the system, review exceptions, and focus on financial planning. Second, it dramatically reduces errors. AI doesn't get tired or distracted. It enters the data correctly every time. This means the financial reports are more accurate, giving the company's leaders a true picture of the business's health. This allows them to make better, faster decisions to grow the company and beat the competition. So, what does all this mean for you, the next generation of accountants? It means your job is becoming more interesting and more important than ever before. The future is not about being the fastest data entry clerk. The future is about being a smart, tech-savvy financial strategist. Your value will come from your ability to work with these AI tools, not compete against them. You need to understand how they work and how to use the information they provide to help your company succeed. This is a massive upgrade for the profession. The skills you need are changing. Yes, you still need a strong foundation in accounting principles. That will never go away. But on top of that, you need new skills. You need to be comfortable with technology. You should learn about popular accounting software like Tally, Zoho Books, or QuickBooks. It's also a great idea to understand the basics of data analytics. Learn how to use tools like Microsoft Excel at an advanced level, or even explore data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. These tools help you turn numbers into stories that everyone can understand. Think of yourself as a pilot. The AI is your advanced aircraft. It can fly itself on autopilot for the routine parts of the journey, but you, the pilot, are still in command. You are the one who sets the destination, who monitors the systems, and who takes control during critical moments. You are the one who interprets the data from the flight computer to make smart decisions. Your job is to guide the business, using these powerful tools to navigate the complex world of finance. It's a role that requires critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication skills. The future of accounting is bright, and it's powered by AI. Don't be afraid of this change. Embrace it. See it as an opportunity to build a more exciting and rewarding career. The days of boring, repetitive tasks are numbered. The era of the strategic, tech-powered accountant is here. By learning these new tools and developing these new skills, you will not just be ready for the future. You will be the ones building it. You will be the financial heroes who help Indian companies grow, innovate, and shine on the world stage. Now that's a performance worth aiming for.